One of only 4 ever built, 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Light 218SE with the rear slide out. This Chaparral is only 7,400 pounds empty, and it comes in at just 28.5 feet, a terrific size. This is one of only 4 built, as this was a prototype by the factory. They decided to do the slide out a bit different and put it on the driver's side. We have both configurations in stock, but this rear slide out provides some unique benefits. This coach comes with some great options. Second AC is on here as well as auto level. Okay, great interior layout. To the right of the door, you get a nice bank of 4 cabinets with a cutout for shoe storage. In front of that is a U-shaped dinette with great storage overhead. 6 mirrored doors provide excellent storage for blankets, games, you name it. There's a TV on a swing arm with a sound bar. In front of the TV wall, there's the front bunk room. So 3 to 4 person sleeper. The bottom mat is convertible and can also be used as a seating area or tucked out of the way. I am surprised how deep the cabinets and drawers are in this bunk room. There's also a TV hookup in this room. Bunk rooms like this offer awesome versatility, as this room would be excellent to use as storage if the grandkids or kids decided not to come with one weekend. Okay, in the slide room you get 2 windows that both open, manual theater seats with built-in cup holders. The 12-volt compressor style fridge is awesome. It has a dual hinge on both of the fridge and freezer doors. This is guaranteed to make your life easier. Nice little storage nook here with slide-out trash can storage. Trash cans are always necessary but often forgot about when RVs are designed and made. Apologize, my gimbal went into spaz mode. But you see all the nice kitchen storage, stainless steel microwave. You have the high-rise faucet on there. Nice little linen storage. Before you get into the bathroom, also some nice coat hooks by the door. On the non-rear slide model, there is a corner bathroom, which will be much smaller than the bathroom you get on this 218 rear slide. You will have a private master bedroom. So for 28 feet, it's awesome to be able to get around both sides of the bed. You have the nice tub in the bathroom with a shower surround and a skylight as well. Alright, so you can see you can easily get around the bed. You can use those valances too to set things on, and there's a ledge above the bed. I accidentally turned the air conditioner on, but there is a second air conditioner in the bedroom. The door slides shut and there is a wardrobe. So really well done for a 28-foot fifth wheel to get such a nice bathroom. Alright, we'll check out the exterior. Alright, so at 28.5 feet, storage is not going to be massive, but it's about equivalent to what you'd get on a travel trailer. There's some storage on the door side here. There's also a good sized compartment up front and a nice compartment in the back of the camper underneath the slide out. You have slam latch baggage doors with nice catches. I didn't get too much into the build of this Chaparral, but this is aluminum framed walls and has Asdel on both the interior and exterior wall. It's a great way to avoid water problems and have a durable fifth wheel. But you get the flip-up step, big grab handle, as well as a tankless water heater. A few more upgrades, auto level. Normally in the 40-ish thousand price range, you would have electric stabilizers, which will not level, just stabilize. Suspension upgrade to the rubberized MoreRide 3000 series. Suspension helps the jostling of the trailer from rough roads and potholes. The water system's down below here, and then there's your storage. There's also a receiver hitch. 50 amp electrical. Just so many upgrades on this 218SE. And then as we get in front of this slide out, you'll see the weight and length. So thanks for watching. If you appreciate the video, please like and subscribe. If you have questions, I'm here to provide any information you need. Thank you very much.